This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'm right here on the App Store, the Apple App Store I should say, for PowerPoint. Now I will show you the link right here. So all of these links, I mean, these are quite long and wildy links, so I'll include these as these URLs as links in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on them and wind up here. Now we'll do the App Store version first, and then we'll do the Google Play Store version after. In fact, I'll show you that URL as well. So we have the Google Play Store URL, so again that will be below this video in the video description, so you can just click either of those depending on which one you want. So from here, this is the App Store version for Apple. We will click to view in the Mac App Store, and then we'll click Open App Store, and we wind up here. And now all that's left to do is we literally just click this Get button, this blue button, and that will install directly Microsoft PowerPoint directly to your Mac. And then over here on the Google Play version, again, that is the URL and it will be in the video description. This is the Google Play version of Microsoft PowerPoint. You can literally just click the install button here, depending on your device, that will download to your system. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Microsoft PowerPoint useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.